Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Mohammad with me today. 8 each in his PTE exam and he has got his 190 invitation in a week. Very well done. Congratulations.
Thank
Mohammad.
you, Varun.
Mohammad, I've seen you working hard in the lab. I remember the first day you came, you were struggling a bit in your reading module.
Yes.
There are many students out there who are struggling in the reading module. What did you exactly do to improve your reading module?
Coming religiously to the lab, getting all the assignments from the all the tutors. They'll tell you, they'll assign you the questions that you need to do.
Yep.
Practice those questions, and give mock tests and get feedback of the tutors.
That's 100% correct, guys. I remember he was extremely enthusiastic when he was in the lab, and he was regular. Every day he used to show up, doesn't matter what time he used to finish work. Plus he always used to ask for help. That is the crucial thing. If you are not really sure about anything, you need to ask for help. If you don't ask for help, you won't really improve. Mohammad, reorder especially, you were struggling a bit, right?
Yeah.
And you have attended the reading sessions online as well.
Yeah.
How important are reading sessions online?
Reading like all the other sections you can get through by templates, but
Yeah.
reading is a section where you cannot use any templates.
Correct.
You need to be thorough with the questions that they've been asking. Fill in the blanks, and especially the reorders.
Yeah.
You need to practice. Like, you need to get at least 50 to 70% correct, because you know the criteria. If you know the marking criteria of the
Yeah.
reorder paragraphs, it's not based on the whole answer. It's based on the pairs.
Yes, correct.
So you need to make as many pairs as possible.
That's 100% correct. Very important. You focus on pairs and attend all the reading sessions so that you are aware of the rules and strategies. Mohammad, last thing, you had an option to practice at home as well.
Yeah.
You had the portal, you had access to the mock test.
Yeah.
But why did you choose to come to the lab instead and practice here? What's
Coming
the
to the lab is getting a hands-on experience with the tutors.
Yep.
They are there itself. They'll correct you. They'll tell you the reason, like, okay, why, for example, like the grammar part, they'll tell you, okay, why this question, like the answers is not applicable here.
Yep.
The reasons. Giving mock tests here in the lab will actually you can get feedbacks with your tutors instantly.
Yeah.
So that's the best part, I feel.
So that's basically immediately knowing what mistakes you're making
100%.
and rectifying it. Because
100%.
when you practice by yourself, you feel you're doing it right, but
Yeah.
you're not really sure why you're not getting the same.
Yes.
When someone is there to guide you, you will immediately fix your mistakes and you will not repeat the same mistakes when you go for the test. And that is what you need to do, because I've seen students sitting on 75, 74, taking the exam again and again, not really sure what mistakes they're making. If you're going and doing the same thing again, you're going to get the same results.
Yeah.
It's very important, as he did, ask for feedback, make the changes and smash your PT test. Mohammad, any final piece of advice? 1 week of 8 each, you've got your invite. That must be a great feeling.
That is like absolutely. I'm on top of the world right now, to be honest. Final tip: be humble, show up, be humble, do not shy away. Just like be humble and ask for mistakes. And humans are fallible by nature. We will keep on making mistakes.
Yeah.
But we just learn from our experience and mistakes.
That's so kind of you. Very important. Show up. Showing up takes a lot of courage, a lot of effort, getting out of the comfort zone. But once you do, you are here in the lab. We will guide you, will let you know what mistakes you're making and what you need to do to crack your PT with a perfect 90 as well.
Yeah.
That's it from this video. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Varun.
Remember this thing, guys. If he has done it, if he has got his invite, you can do it as well. You need to work hard in the right direction, under the right guidance, and you will be here very soon. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.
Thank you.